Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos is to help you understand how we can apply technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down today $6.38. This is almost down 1%. We closed at 644.22. Lots of even numbers. I like that. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So basically, we have been going down since, since July 12th, approximately. We have been going down since touching the resistance that we have at 694. And then it seemed like we could have been bouncing on 667, but then no, we went further down. We filled the gap that we had over here around July 22nd, and we kept going down. So today, this is the fourth red day in a row that we have had. And basically what this looks like is that Tesla is really going to touch down this support that we have here. So it seems like Tesla is going to bounce on that support. We don't know if it's going to bounce, but it's definitely going into that direction. Let me go into the 1 hour chart. If you remember, yesterday we had these two resistance lines. So the stock was basically since July 13th, the stock was really going down and bouncing on those resistances. I call them double resistance because sometimes the stock is bouncing, if you look at it here, bouncing on the first one, and sometimes it's bouncing on the second one. And today, if we look at what happened today, so today we were pretty high. So we opened at 655, went a little bit outside of the second resistance. So this could have led us to believe that we were about to break out of that resistance, but no, the stock went super down during the first hour and then seems to have been bouncing on this support at that point in time at around 643, 642, 643. I'm talking about the diagonal support here that is now red because it's a resistance right now. But basically, we bounced on this and went sideways. And then it looked like we had a nice green candle and that the stock was about to break out again. So at around 12:30, it looked like we were going to break out. But no, we closed inside of it. This was a false breakout. So this is why you should always wait for a close, at least one close outside of a resistance to know that it's a real breakout, or you can say it's two closes outside a resistance, but this one did not do even one. So then the stock went back down, and now it seems like we are bouncing on 642 as a support. So 642 as a support here seems to be for now a little pause in the stock movement. Let's go back to the daily chart to look at the indicators. Let's look at our stochastic. Stochastic is at 43. You know what this means? 43 is below 50. So in our mind, this is a red thumbs up. Let me just put it in the right color. I am using a new computer setup. I hope you have noticed. Tell me in the comments if you like it better. I think that the webcam is a lot better than the other one, and the computer also. Okay, so we have a red thumbs down for the stochastic at 43. Then in terms of the MACD, we have one thumb down because we crossed over negative. We crossed over bearish. And we have one thumb up because at least the two lines are positive. So this is a good sign. And in terms of our beloved DMI, it's still green. It's still green. So for the DMI, this is still a bull trend, even though in the short term, stochastic is showing that the stock does not have much power into it. But what can definitely happen is that when the stock comes close to support, then people might show up to buy the stock. So right now, stochastic is telling us that there are no people or not a lot of people willing to push the stock back up, but it does not mean that it will not come in the future. These indicators are always in the past. They show what has happened, but they cannot predict the future. So we need to keep that in mind. So if you want to buy Tesla at a low point, I think the low point is coming very soon if it has not come yet. This is for you to make a decision if you want to buy Tesla right now, or wait a little bit to see if it might go down to 635. This is perfectly possible. But then with Tesla, when it touches a support like it did around here on May 19th, Tesla touched support and then boom, went back up quite fast. If you want to time the market perfectly to have the lowest price to be the lowest closest to the support, you might miss it because the stock might just go back up fast. So this is always tricky with Tesla because this stock has legs. It can go. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Tesla and Palantir video every day of the week and also a weekend recap on Saturday or Sunday. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have a TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.